Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today is the big day. I will make sentences in English and you will have to translate in French. Of course, for that, you need to listen to the past episodes from Le Bootcamp. Le Bootcamp is a special series of daily episodes to help you with your motivation. New year, new start, and of course, I am here for you to speak French. Of course, you have the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. Now, Sarah reached out to me, and a lot of you have been asking to get emails. Now, emails are sent once a week on Monday. Why? Because you don't need to get an email every day. If you're like me, you get a lot of emails. So the next email that you'll get from me will be on Monday with a new week of bootcamp. But enough already, I speak English too much. C'est déjà assez. Je parle anglais de trop. Alors, je vais dire les phrases en anglais et vous devez les traduire en français. Je vais dire les phrases 2 fois. I will say the sentences twice. Et après, vous avez du temps pour répondre. And after, you will have time to answer. Vous êtes prêts? Allez, c'est parti. I'm tired. I'm tired. She paints as a hobby. She paints as a hobby. You are fun. You are fun. You as tu. Okay? You are fun. A square coffee table. A square coffee table. I ski in the mountains during winter. I ski in the mountains during winter. We're going to the vineyards. We're going to the vineyards. Ça va? Je sais que c'est un peu difficile. I know it's a little difficult. And as I said, you have to make the effort to keep up, to look up the words and try to bring your brain and to use your brain to translate. Of course, you will have all the answers and the transcript. On va faire une petite pause et je reviens tout de suite. We're going to have a little break and I'll be back right away. Are you ready to speak French? Alors, on continue. She's nice and young. She's nice and young. This is soft. This is soft. You play the guitar and I draw. You play the guitar and I draw. We go camping during summer. We go camping during summer. This is an old desk. This is an old desk. The sand on the beach is hot. The sand on the beach is hot. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode. Here you go. It's very challenging, so make sure to pause, to listen again, and try as much as you can. If you made little mistakes, that's okay, because we're learning, right? But I know and I'm just sure you did great. So you will have all the weekend to work, and I'll be back on Monday with a new week of le Bootcamp. Merci, au revoir, à lundi.